starting fresh, understanding, create a new chapter. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and inspiring phrase, create a new chapter. This expression is rich in meaning and is often used in both personal and professional contexts. So, whether you're learning English as a new language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's explore its meanings, uses, and how you can incorporate it into your daily conversations. Create a new chapter can be understood in both a literal and figurative sense. Literally, it refers to starting a new chapter in a book or any written work, signaling a transition or beginning of a new section. Figuratively, it represents beginning a new phase or period in life, work, or any project. This phrase is about change, growth, and new beginnings. When you use create a new chapter in your conversations, it shows that you're talking about making significant changes or starting anew. Here are a few examples. After moving to a new city, you might say, "I'm excited to create a new chapter in my life here." Upon starting a new job, this is a great opportunity for me to create a new chapter in my career. These examples highlight the phrase's versatility and its power to convey optimism and the prospect of positive changes. Embracing the idea of creating new chapters encourages a mindset of continuous improvement and openness to new experiences. It's about not being afraid to close one chapter and start another, recognizing that growth often comes from change. This phrase can be a motivational reminder that it's never too late to reinvent oneself or pursue new paths. Thank you for watching our video on what it means to create a new chapter. We hope this discussion not only helps you understand and use the phrase in your English conversations but also inspires you to look at your own life story with excitement for the chapters yet to be written. Remember, every day is an opportunity to start fresh and create a new chapter in your life story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.